Hey y'all, it's Sophie, the one and only. Okay, I'm gonna stop using the chat thing now because it's getting annoying. Anyway, as you can see, I'm using Gacha Life because today I will be showing you guys my real IRL family accepting Gacha Life. But first, much better. Okay, so let's get this started. First, we have my sister Nicole. And don't mind that nose thing, I just thought it was really cute. And this is my mom. And this is my dad. By the way, this is just a little skit I made. It's funny. But it's... Okay, and your point is?